Well, welcome to the Extension Master Gardener Training Program. I'm Jared Hoyle, currently an assistant professor in turfgrass science at Kansas State University and state extension specialist. We are going to start off the turfgrass training modules with you here today. We have 7 sections that we're going to go through that covers a wide variety of turfgrass when it comes to the basic information to management and problem solving as well. We have many goals and objectives when it comes to these learning modules. We're going to be able to identify cool and warm season grass species, their strengths, their weaknesses, be able to identify different pests that we see in turfgrass areas. We'll also be able to explain proper establishment methods once you've completed this course. We're going to be able to describe common cultural practices. We're going to be able to describe smart irrigation practices as well. This is super important, and to be able to conserve water for the use in the future. We're going to look at cultural and chemical control measures when it comes to pests. That is a more in-depth process. I hope we can get to a lot of it in depth, but we'll try to hit on the basic management practices. We're going to be able to properly calculate applications when it comes to fertilizers, when it comes to seed measures, and be able to know how to apply that correctly to your landscape, and be able to overall construct a management plan for your lawn, whether it be a cool season lawn, a warm season lawn, and be able to then take that management plan and advise others or help others out in the future as well. So, to get moving on, we're going to start our first section, which is the benefits of turfgrass. This is a very short section, just kind of talking about why turfgrass is important. And there's many reasons out there why turf is important. Turfgrass filters air and water. It reduces erosion. It promotes healing and mental health. This is probably my favorite one. I don't know about you guys, but I like when I walk outside, I don't think I've ever said, man, that's a beautiful brown dead lawn out there, you know. It's the green, and not just turf, but this is the entire landscape. This is why we have green spaces around different corporate buildings and different parks and areas, because we go and we enjoy these green spaces, whether it be turf and trees, flowers and ornamentals, and that way we do have an increased mental health as well. I'm going to skip air condition and the CO2. I'm going to hit that in a second. It also is noise abatement, glare reduction, and reduces animal pests. We see a lot of amphitheaters. They're not in parking lots most of the time. They have green spaces in it. It kind of absorbs the sound. It helps with noise pollution. Because turf is at a large area, it's able to do that. But these are my favorite 2 reasons why turf is important. If you have 1 block of houses, average 8 houses, that equals 70 tons of air conditioning power. Our most common air conditioner unit at our home is about a 3 to 4 ton air conditioning unit. If you are able to go out with if you've ever had an infrared laser thermometer and go out and look at soil surface temperatures, turf is 10 to 15 degrees cooler than exposed bare soil, and which is even cooler than concrete and asphalt as well. So having a well-maintained healthy turf is decreasing that ambient air temperature around your homes, and especially in cities, where it's not only saving on your air conditioner running, it's going to save on your wallet as well. Because that air conditioner that is attached to your home is not going to have to work as hard to cool the inside of your house, because the outside of your house is being cooled by just the turf and the evapotranspiration and the processes that go through the plant. Another good example of why turfgrass is beneficial, if you have a 50 feet by 50 feet well-maintained lawn, that produces enough oxygen for a family of 4 every single day. That is a lot of oxygen it's producing. And a 50 by 50 is not that big of an area. I would say it's just about the size of the room that we're in right now, minus that back half over there. So it is a very small area and produces a lot. We don't like turf sometimes because we got to mow it and we got to go out there and maintain that type of thing, take some time and labor to mow. But because it's growing that fast, it's producing that oxygen. It's taking CO2 and producing oxygen. So there's a lot of environmental benefits. Like I said, it generates oxygen. It actually expels on even a bigger impact on the environment as well. So if it's going to create oxygen, it's going to take in CO2 or sequester carbon dioxide, which is a greenhouse gas. And a result of that, it's going to reduce animal pests and allergy-related pollen. It improves water quality, so it's going to filter groundwater. It's erosion control, flood control, manages stormwater, so it reduces runoff. A lot of dust stabilization. There's a lot of environmental benefits that are greater than just the CO2 to oxygen type of thing. So managing that healthy turf is very, very important for the environment. There's a lot of other ones when it talk about improved safety. That helps along the roadsides. A maintained turf on the roadsides is able to, you're able to see pests maybe far off in the distance, so that's going to be able to deter pests or say animals or deer from running out in front of you. A lot of economic benefits. Not only turf, but a well-landscaped lawn adds 15% value to your home. If you sell your home or if you know others that are selling their home, they typically go right in at the last minute and make sure they spruce that landscape up because they're able to increase the value of that house and sell that house for 15% higher. So I won't go over all of these, but this is kind of the introduction to why turf is important in some reasons and how it fits into your landscape. All these listed here, so when you can go back through the presentation, you can see and list the benefits of turf. If anybody ever asks you, you have it as well. And for more information, we do have the benefits of a healthy turfgrass publication at K-State, as well as a Lawn Institute, which is a national organization that promotes the healthy use and the management of turf. And if you go to the Chapter 7 in your Extension Master Gardener Handbook, you'll be able to get even more information on the benefits of turfgrass. So with that, that completes the Section 1, Benefits of Turfgrass, and stay tuned for more information on the maintenance and the care of turf. Thank you.